Birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, open it.
Open it. Like that. Yeah. Ooh. What is it?
What's in there?
Let's see. Let's see. A bell. I think.
Open it.
Open it. Let's see what's in there.
Yay!
Can we help it has Mickey Mouse. It's Mickey Mouse glove. Yeah. Open. Let Alexis open some. It's a glove. Alexis, open.
Open. What is that?
Let's see. Press the button. What?
1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
How come it goes so high? Make it start over.
You found 13. Come on, pal. Let's go.
Mom, let's open this present. Yeah, because I found a doll.
You found
No, not yet.
Come on, pal. Let's go.
Happy birthday to you.
No, let her open it up that way. Let her open it that way. Tell Alexis, open up. Like that. Let her open up some. Open. There's a box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, no.
Clothes.
Let's open up this present. Let's open up
There's
this.
cute clothes. Okay, help. Open this.
Let's help her. Yeah. It's a